You should swing around this way, Mommy. You can see your face.
We had a very late outing today. And baby had a very late nap. And she woke up and she's very tired. And Robin just happened to sneeze. And she laughed at it. And so now he spent the last 15 minutes sneezing.
Oh, chew!
I should send this footage to MTC and see if there isn't some sneezing role in the play this year. Go around to the other side and see if I can get her little happy little face.
Oh, kitty daddy.
Look at her. You have to ignore the very dirty clothes. She was rolling around in the ground outside. What a silly daddy.
Oh, I think I'm all sneezed out.